Hi, Alan Mackay. I'm the CEO of Werqwise. We're a shared workspace provider. We're here to unbox and set up the new Highfive Premium room. Pretty exciting to see what we've got in here. Pretty cool box here. So apparently there's a camera, there's the voice hub and the Dolby conference phone. Usual neat sort of Highfive box that we have here. So let's have a look now and see what's inside. Kind of a little bit different. I reckon there's extra boxes in here from the previous one. So it seems like we've got the camera, got the hub, the guide, and it looks like the conference phone is underneath. Now this camera box is kind of smaller than the last one was. Oh, cool camera, guys. So if I look at this, and I compare it to a lot smaller, got that actually looks some pretty neat design. Fits in even better with our environment here and with the color scheme and everything else we've got on. Very cool. So a quick start guide. Usual stuff, looks just as easy as the other stuff was to set up. See how it goes. Let's have a look at this bit. This looks new. The Dolby Voice Hub. Yeah, very neat. Loving the matte black on this. I'm guessing there's more cables in underneath this. Here we go. The HDMI, Ethernet cable. Power in here. Very good. Awesome. And I'm guessing from this box that we've got the Dolby conference phone. So there's our quick start guide. And here's the phone itself. Quite familiar. Very cool. See what's underneath. Our Ethernet cable for connecting it. Move these out of the way. So let's see what we've got in our Highfive Premium room. The Dolby Voice Room hardware. We have the camera. It's the hub. There's the cable for connecting the camera through to the hub. We've got an HDMI cable, power. We have our Dolby conference phone and the Ethernet cables for connecting that in. Let's have a look at this new camera and how it attaches. It seems to be massively adjustable. Previous one, obviously all in one. We now have two separate parts here. This one here still has the tripod attachment. So the previous one, you can open it, you can slide it in. It's going to fit any one of our TVs. And this, supremely adjustable. Separately, let's look at the hub. So the hub, we have wall mounts on the back of it. It can also go flat onto the table. We have conference rooms here where the tables are right up next to the wall. It's going to look really neat. No cables trailing anywhere. And then, the same as the previous one, we can then attach the two of them together. There we go. There it is, so that it can go onto the table. Or, simple clip in there, round the other way, and it goes and mounts onto the back of the TV in the same way that our previous one did. Very cool, amazingly adjustable, still super simple.